I'm going to show you how to join the Hypixel Minecraft server. If this video helps you out, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. First, open Minecraft and make sure you're using the latest version. After that, click on Multiplayer, then select Add Server. In server name, you can type anything you want. In this case, I'll type Hypixel. In server address, enter exactly what I'm writing here, mc.hypixel.net. Once that's done, click Done. And that's it. The Hypixel server has now been added to your server list. Next time you want to play, just go back to Multiplayer and Hypixel will already be saved there. Simply double-click it to join. After you enter the server, the first item in your hotbar will be a compass. Right-click while holding the compass to open the game menu. From here, you can choose between all the different games that Hypixel offers, such as SkyBlock, Bed Wars, and many others. To join a game, just left-click on it. For example, I'm going to click on SkyBlock, and now I'm inside the Hypixel SkyBlock game. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to support the channel.